it is more important. So, first I'll cover the areas of cooperation, second I'll cover areas of conflict, and third I'll cover recent development and the way forward. So, in the area of cooperation, the first thing that India was the first country to recognize Maldives when it got independence in 1965. And in 1988, India was the country which launched Operation Cactus when military coup was attempted in Maldives. So, from history itself, India has been a part of Maldives and supported Maldives. But due to some recent development, due to unemployment, poverty, and many other issues, anti-India sentiments have been risen in some days, and China has also gained some importance due to pro-Chinese president Mr. Liu Zhu have been elected recently. So talking about some other cooperation, that India has also given a line of credit of $4,850 million dollars to it, and also recently 40% reduction in the annual payment has also been done. And also India is also part of $500 million Greater Male project, and India has also captured recently Gadu transshipment port, replacing Chinese company, as international banks have deported the company. And also India has been a severe part of many other projects, including coastal coastal tactics and the radar development India is doing across the 26 atolls of Maldives. Talking about the areas of conflict, areas of conflict include that Maldives recently joined BRI project, which follows the Chinese 3E policy: encirclement, enactment, and entanglement. So, in that region, China has also taken a lease of Finulo port for $5 million for next 50 years. And in that, it has becoming a threat for India. And then some recent development
30 seconds.
that our Prime Minister, on the basis of Lakshadweep conflict, was also there. But due to the recent visits and changes, it has been covered. And recently, India and Maldives both, because both are the one of the founding members of SHARC and IRO association, they are also planning to gain their cooperation and their control with the basis of many projects, including the Sagar and Mahasagar initiative in both the efforts.